Ever hit send on a DocuSign form only to realize you've made a mistake or need to change something? Let's walk through how to correct those fillable DocuSign forms. Head over to your DocuSign account and click on the Manage tab at the top of your screen. This is where all your documents live. Find the document you need to correct. It's likely in your sent folder, and click the three dots on the right-hand side to reveal more options. In the drop-down menu, if the correct option is available, click it, and you will be able to modify fields, add or remove recipients, or change the document itself before resending. If the correct option isn't available, don't worry. There's another way. You'll need to void the document first, which cancels the current signing process. For all recipients, click Void in that same drop-down menu. DocuSign will prompt you to confirm this action. You'll likely want to add a note to the recipients explaining why you voided the document. Once voided, you can now copy the document. This creates an exact duplicate of the original. Open the copied document, make all the necessary edits to the fillable fields or any other aspects of the form. Finally, double-check everything and hit send to start the signing process again with the corrected form. Correcting a DocuSign form may involve voiding the document and resending with the necessary edits.